makubekho ihlumelo umhlelo omsebenzi amafama sihlalo wamawenzayo kodwa ingaba bakhona abantu abanilandelayo ngemva okanye nawuthi kanilele tata ununu kube kuphelile ngalisheti ibani nalo ihlumelo malibe khona ihlumelo awukho umhlambi ongenamgqibelo.
Young people are the main agents of change and progress. That is why the Eastern Cape Department of Rural Development and Agrarian Reform is investing strategically on youth-owned enterprises. Through the department's programs, young people in agriculture are equipped with technical agricultural support, infrastructure, implements and production inputs, livestock breeds of superior genetics, disaster management services, access to land and the market. To access DRDAR's programs, visit our offices or contact us directly on our customer care services line or visit our digital communication channels. Young people are ihlumelo and DRDAR cares about the future.